You could call it the worst kind of fuzzy math. Miscalculations freed dozens of Nebraska prisoners too soon, putting the public at risk. Now the governor wants more answers and action, and he's ordered a special criminal investigation to find them. Good evening, I'm Jennifer Griswold.
And I'm Craig DeGrelli. It's a move some have called for since reports of the miscalculations and failure to correct the problem first came to light. KMTV Action 3 News reporter Josh Egbert explains from Lincoln.
The Nebraska State Patrol will be in charge of handling the criminal investigation that was announced this morning by Governor Dave Heineman and Attorney General John Bruning here at the Capitol.
Those responsible for these errors will be held accountable.
It's a move that could bring criminal charges against the Department of Corrections employees who miscalculated hundreds of inmate sentences.
We're not here to prejudge it. The State Patrol will conduct the investigation, turn all the factual evidence over to two prosecuting agencies, the Attorney General and the Lancaster County Attorney.
The investigation comes one day after DOC Director Mike Kenny began disciplinary actions against prison staff involved in the miscalculations. Attorney General John Bruning says he doesn't believe any state statutes were violated, but what exactly happened inside those prison walls needs to be known.
We simply want to get all the facts out there. The State Patrol is the proper investigative agency to gather all those facts.
Bruning and Lancaster County Attorney Joe Kelly will get the results of the investigation and determine if criminal charges are warranted. Governor Heineman says not only is this to hold those accountable, but also to restore the public's trust.
It's going to take us a while to regain that. But transparency is the first step, and I think the most important step to help regain that.
This morning, the governor also sent an email to all Corrections Department employees saying no one is above the law. Sentences were cut short despite two state Supreme Court rulings that laid out how to determine prison terms.
When the Nebraska Supreme Court issues a ruling, I expect every state employee and every state agency to comply with the law.
The governor also told employees if they are asked to ignore a court order to contact he and Director Kenny immediately. The governor did not say how long these criminal investigation could last. It could take weeks, it could take months, but he did say that full report will be released to the public once it is complete. Reporting in Lincoln, Josh Egbert, KMTV Action 3 News.
We could learn more about the prison sentencing scandal tomorrow. Bob Houston, the former director of the Department of Corrections, is set to testify before the legislature's Special Investigative Committee. That meeting was set up before today's announcement by the governor. Houston led the department for 8 years before retiring in 2013.